What is up, everybody? Lovers of the D here, and we got some pins to open up. We're hoping to get some Wave B pins, but they're sold out, so we got some of the Wave A and some of last year's pink packs.
What's the occasion?
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Let's separate them. I think I'm gonna do the pink ones last.
Why?
Because I don't know.
That's just the vibe?
Yeah, it's just the vibe.
Right.
There's less of them.
I could dig that.
Yeah. Alright, what are we hoping for? I'm hoping for D's, of course, Castles, and Super Chasers. That's out of these packs. Out of these packs, just the D's, baby. Let's start ripping them. Rip. This is a 25th anniversary. We got a Snow White. This one actually I need the chaser for. That box goes, so hopefully we got it. Look at that, all nice and shiny. What we got here? Can we feel it? I would say, I'm guessing a Goofy or a pink.
You think so?
Yeah, Goofy or a pink. One of the pink ones. It's a Goofy Halloweener.
If you happen upon a 3PO.
3P?
Oh, is that Wave B?
That's Wave B.
Okay.
Yeah, I gotta wait for those to come back in stock. Alright, next. Whoa, these weren't even... What? Ooh. Hey, you caught that live, but we got a D. Let's go. Barrel. And a little piglet. That was strange. Wonder what that means.
I would keep those two together. Right next to each other.
Keep them close. Keep them like this.
There you go.
They're friends now. They're best friends now. Put them over here in the sus area. Sus pack. I've never seen that before. We caught it live. Pack number 3. Can we guess it? This is a D.
Ooh.
I'm gonna open it and see what D it is. Wow. Simba. This one? I'm feeling it. I don't know, this one's throwing me off. I would say it is Minnie Mouse pink. This one feels pretty big. Look at that. I've opened way too many of these packs. Next.
Interesting.
That one just popped up. Ooh, another Simba. I don't mind getting dupes of the D's. Is this going to be another mini though? No. Yeah, it is. Same pack. Same pack. Trash bag. Oh, almost forgot. Chat. We found one at Disney. We were just walking through the tunnels and I saw little Jesus on top, so I just grabbed him. He's gonna hang. He'll hang with the pins. Watch over thy pins.
So is that something I should be on the lookout for now?
Little Jeebus. Every time you walk the halls, there's always something. There's one guy that has mini plaques, the welcome,
Okay.
and he'll put them up. And there's just people that do random stuff like that. So I always keep an eye, like, ooh. Oh, hold on. I gotta guess. This is either another piglet. This is a piglet. Oh no. Chaser. Chaser
Woo.
Goofy. Woo. Woo. Alright. This one. We gotta fill it up. We gotta fill it up. This is a 25-year. I don't know which one though. The 25-year ones are hard to guess. Ooh. It's a little Marie. I traded her tonight. I actually traded a Marie for a Stitch Angel Baseball D23 pin.
You did.
I thought this guy was gonna ask for more. He just wanted one pin. I was like, if that's all you want, boss, it's yours. Nick. Those these are good. What's up with the back side? This is a earband right here. Super Ch. Oh, I thought it was black. Cheshire. I thought we had a super chaser chat.
I'm gonna cry.
Why would
Happy
you cry?
tears.
Happy tears.
And salty tears.
Happy-
When I would be happy,
happy
and I would
salty.
be salty.
Chat, let's hope this is the chaser castle. I need the chaser castle because I got the other 5. Come on, baby. Nope. Fireworks. She's a beaut. Okay. Oh, another one. Another one, chat.
Another one.
Another one. No wrap. What is this about? Hey, balloons and snack castle. That's a little strange, chat. I think we might have another one right here in my hands. They're cutting corners, chat. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Chat. Oh my goodness. You ready to cry? And it's not for this one. I think it might be for this one. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, I started crying.
Oh, I saw a twinkle.
I did it again, Jack. I did it. Oh my god. That was a pretty super chaser.
I want worlds.
I could trade this one for a world. Since I have that, I have the other 6 at home, so that makes the completion. We got an extra castle. Chat.
Awesome, baby.
Stoked.
Great job.
Thanks, baby. And if my wife didn't have one already, I would give her that one, but now we need to get her the world one. So what I'll do is I'll keep the set. Hopefully we still have packs open, chat. We can find another one. So we'll try to trade this or multiple headbands to get her the chaser one for world. So that's our goal. And we will definitely be streaming and doing some footage for world when we go there. Oh my goodness, I thought it happened again. Because I saw the castle pop out and then...
I got that one. I got 2 of those in that bag.
Pooh ears, you got this Pooh ear already?
I have 2 of them in this bag over here.
Come on, chaser, chaser, chaser. That's okay. We're one step close to completing that set. That's pretty good.
That's not bad.
So far, chat, I'm very happy.
Pretty stoked.
Pretty happy. I think the dupe stopped after we busted out our homie. Little Jeebus. He loves you.
Then didn't Jesus come out after Barrel?
That's what oh. Did he? I'll have to check the footage. Are these regular birthing? Can we guess it? This is a Goofy. And I want to say the way it feels, we have another chaser. Yes! Goofy chaser. Just in time for the holidays, too. Alright, what came with that one last time? Don't remember. 25-year Marie. Jiminy Cricket. A handsome young chap. Oh, Jiminy. Man. Happy birthday. Okay, we still got 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Let's go. Tweedledee, Tweedledum, please. Tweedledee, Tweedledum. Got a headband. Chat, one way to cheat if you know you have a headband. You can feel it right here. You see the horseshoe, right? Then you have the backing. You feel the horseshoe and you move your thumb up right here to the corner and you feel 3 diamonds and then a crown. Then you're good. This one feels like Marie. Or it could be a steamboat. Or it could be Minnie. Boop. What's this? What's this? It's a castle. This has to be the chaser, chat. Otherwise, it's Dappers. Otherwise, it's the Dappers. What? Dupe. It's okay. I like castles, so that's a good dupe for me. Chat, 3 left. We're moving into the old school. Come on. Another dumper. Another dumper. Doopy. Please, 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 please. Oh, we did it, chat. We did it. The whole castle set in one bust. We are busting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on, wait. I take that back. We need the Dappers. Dang it.
Dang it.
Gosh, dang it, Bobby. We need the Dappers. Yes. Yes.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Yeah, close that bit, my love.
We have a complete set of D's. I have some more D's in this.
You have the complete set of D's?
Well, if I do this, then add me a little Simba here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what I'm saying? Woo.
I see what you're saying.
Woo.
Woo.
Woo. Okay. Whew. We did it, chat. I mean, that's it. I could use a Dapper, or another Super Chaser, or another D. Come on, baby. Hello, Angel. Boop. Put it next to the other Stinky Pinkies. Chat, the last one for the unboxing right now of this. Let's try to guess first before we get open. What the heck is this? Another Goofy? We got a Goofy and a 25-year. And if I'll say this, chat, viewers, anyone watching this, you see this pack I just ripped right open. Notice the crinkleless seal on the front and the back. Smooth compared to what I just did, and now the pack is crinkled. If you ever see a crinkled pack, avoid them. You see stuff like this where it's crinkled, Crinkle Town. We're in Crinkleville. All that crinkle. Avoid that. Because someone has gone through and fondled it. Okay, guys and gals, friends and family here. Just a word of advice. I want everyone to have a fair chance of having a good pack, because people fill through, like how I just showed you, and they'll already know what's in here. This has a 25-year and something that doesn't feel like a D or a castle or anything else that I want. This feels like, I'm trying to guess. I think it's another Super Chaser, and it's a 25-year. This is 100% a 25-year. Which one, I'm not sure, because I'm not too familiar on rubbing the tops and figuring it out. We got a toad.
Why not?
They weren't desired for me.
I thought you would be pro.
I mean, I can if I look at them. If I have them out in front of me and I start feeling it, I'll tell you. So I guess that first one. Let's see. Back. Oh no. Oh no. This one. No, this one is. It's either a. I don't think it's not Piglet. It's gotta be a Goofy, I guess. 4th of July Goofy. Surfboard.
Surfboard.
Boom, called it. So beware, chat. I just did it in front of you. You open enough of these, you know what they feel like. Okay. So, I feel great about this. Amazing. This is now my 4th one.
I think so.
I believe this is my 4th one now. Yeah, because I have two. I traded one for a World Super Chaser, and then I gave one to the wife. That's crazy. Almost have the whole castles. Got the Tweedledee Tweedledum. Super happy. Crazy packs that don't have packaging, but that's cool. Most of this stuff, all the doubles, that's all gonna get pushed off to the side. The 25 years, the extra D's, those will get, the pinks, those will get pushed off to the side to trade tomorrow. I'm going back to the park tomorrow. Okay. Next round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I did open some packs earlier today. Out of those packs, I got the Marie D, Snack Castle, this guy, which I needed to finish this set. What else did I get? I think that was it, no? I got another Grumpy. Here, I think they're over here. These two guys right here. Okay, let's rock and roll. These are easy. I know these don't have any other packaging. We got a D off the jump. And I thought we almost had a third pin in there. I would have squealed like a girl. Alright, we got this, dude. Which D is it? Oh, sick, dude. A Marie D. This one, I guess, is kind of hard to get. We just need a Chaser. We need Hades, Hatbox Ghost, and one more Marie to finish up some sets. So we actually need like 2 Hades, 2 Hatbox, 1 more Marie. Amazing first pull. That's actually my second. Oh yeah, this was the other D I got tonight, Oswald. That's actually my second Marie tonight. What?
You said you got Oswald and I instantly looked down on mine. Did this fool
She thought I stole her Oswald. I was trying to smooth talk her out of her Oswald, but then I got one. So I didn't have to. What do we got here? Fun. Mickey, 4th of July. Mickey wasn't too popular. I thought he would have been more popular. Uh-oh. I got it, chat, and I'm not talking about the t-shirt either. I'm talking about the hat box chaser. Chat, this has been a great birthday busting of packs. Man, if I get a Hades, then I can just fall asleep happy. Sheesh. I think we got a dupe here. We got a dupe and a dupe. Nope. This one I actually like this one. I see a lot of fake ones at the park. But this one's cool. I know my wife has this one already. If not, I'd totally hand it over to her. Yeah, she's done. She's been had that one, chat. She's had that one forever. Hey, 4th of July Mickey. Salute. He's getting traded. Off to the board tomorrow. Come on, D's. That's not a D. It's this guy. I don't know its name.
That's a loft cat.
That's a loft cat. Oh. Super chaser. I'm looking at the wife. She's giving me poo-poo face.
I know what the super chaser is for those. Is it an ear hat?
It's Headless Horseman. You have it, right? Yeah, she has one. World has the same one, but it's red instead of purple. Chat, the look is crazy. The look is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Well, keep the show rolling. Let me get a Hades. I wasn't even thinking about that. Did I just get 2 earrings? Oh no, this is an Easter Mickey. Oh yeah. What do we got here? Oh, this one's cool. What do we got here? Hey. I just traded for this guy tonight. Little frozen Jack. And then a doopy. Shadoopy. 2 more packs, chat. 2 more packs. I'm gonna save this heavy one for this one feels a little heavier. This one feels a little thick though. We got Spooky Halloween Mickey. Dracula.
I might want him.
Another loft cat. Who?
Halloween Mickey.
Okay, he's available. Let me know. I give it to you. Alright, chat, last pack. Let's go. Can we get another D, please? No. Seems we've exhausted our luck for tonight. Another dupe. A cool dupe, though. And Laser Eye Jack. Very cool. Man, what a haul.
think I might want Spooky Mickey.
Jed, I appreciate you all. We'll see you on the next one, friends. Bye-bye.
Bye.